ever had a crush on Brady?
Yes, I did. I really did like him.
Yeah, I know he did too. If I put a lie detector, I don't even need one. Easy to tell.
Okay, good to know.
So has anybody stole one of your videos and got more likes or views on it?
I can't remember. Oh yes, TikTok. When I didn't have TikTok, a lot of people would steal my videos off of YouTube and post them on TikTok, and it happened with Snapchat as well. But since I have both platforms now on there, people don't steal my videos that much anymore.
Do you remember what video it was?
It was a chocolate is a salad. The
Chocolate salad?
No, chocolate is a salad.
Chocolate is a salad.
Oh, I see that.
But it was like one of the most popular videos I have. I was basically telling a funny joke I saw so we went to a cafe, right? And there was a sign that said it, and we got a chocolate from there. I was like, oh, let me just say what the sign says, right? It said that cacao comes from a tree and
I see
that.
that.
Yeah. And it's basically talking about how chocolate is basically
I seen on TikTok someone did steal it. I saw somebody do it, and it was like the same background.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
So what is the craziest DM you ever received?
I can't remember a lot of DMs because I don't really look at them, but the craziest comment I've ever gotten, or the comment that I think was like the most shocking, was I posted a video about getting 4 surgeries, right? Because I got 2 on my hip, I got 1 on my shoulder, and I got 1 on my lip. And I was talking about them, and someone said that someone commented, I hope your 5th surgery is a failed heart surgery. And I was like, how can someone be so mean? Like, how can someone be so evil? But, at the end of the day.
If I was
Watching karma get on them.
If I was you, I wanted to fight that guy.
I mean, yeah.
Did you block them?
I did block them, yeah. I actually block a lot of people because I don't need that negativity on my platform.
Only positive.
Exactly. But at the end of the day, we have to forgive people like that because they don't know any better, I guess.
Yeah, but they take the time to look at your video, watch the whole thing to see.
And then comment on it. Yeah, but I don't know, sometimes.
At least you're getting views.
Yeah, I am getting views. I think sometimes people comment bad stuff because they're miserable themselves.
So you just went to the hospital. You're okay now, right?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
So why did you get those?
I'm really confused though, because when you were 9 years old, you got the infection, but I'm confused how it got in your whole body now.
Okay, so when I was 9 years old, let me start the story from the beginning because the viewers might not know the context. But basically, I was on vacation in Spain, and all of my siblings got sick. But after 24 hours or so, they didn't feel sick anymore, and I was like, oh, you know what? Maybe I won't get sick. And then, 2 days later, I got super sick, and I stopped walking because my hip hurt so much. And then the next day, my mom took me to the doctor, and they were like, oh, you have a bacterial infection in your hip and you have to get surgery. So we drove 13 hours back home because we were on vacation, right? And we went back home and we went to the hospital and I got immediate surgery on my hip, and then a week later I found out that I had to get surgery again because the bacteria wasn't fully gone. And then I was in the hospital for a month. I got released a day before my birthday, before my 10th birthday, and then I went home and I just had to take antibiotics, but because I didn't take all of my antibiotics, they believe that when I went to Colorado and I got sick again, the bacteria was still in my body, and since I had I had the flu type A, it kind of triggered it, and that's why it was in my whole body.
I thought something bit you.
Something bit me? No, I mean, I was with a lot of chickens when I was 9.
I thought you said the chicken bit you.
Yeah, no. I made a video about how a chicken almost killed me kind of thing.
I saw.
But yeah. So no, the chicken didn't bite me. It was just that I wasn't sanitary with the chickens, and maybe the chickens were carrying bacteria and it infected me.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's move on to the topic of the day. Do you think being famous changes how people treat you?
I think it does in a way, but I think that's what makes my friendships with people who don't know I'm famous so much more special. I had a lot of friends that didn't know I was famous, and when they found out, they were like, what? No way. But these people, they didn't treat me any more different. I have my best friend. She's like my best friend ever, and I actually have two best friends, but they both treat me the same way even after I'm famous. So I guess it depends who you're hanging out with.